finished lunch. We're vlogging the vloggers. We're about to go walk. We forgot to vlog literally the first 14 hours of our time. So what's up mga chong mga cheng? We're currently in Dominican Republic. Walking the streets of Cabarete. Oh shit, that's what I want. I'm gonna eat there tomorrow. Street food, street food. Alright, we found something right now. Blue Moon. In the alley, some alleys in the area. Hey mother.
Hey.
How are you? How are you? Father. Plain ugly, gets dropped all the time. Ching. Oh, we have the same tank top. What t-shirt did you do? Damn, look at this. Tropical, eh. I'm burnt, dude. We landed 14 hours ago. I haven't changed, I haven't changed. Oh, you might have to pay for that. You want one? Well, let's do one near the... Let's do one near our place. I got so much. What's up, dope? Yeah. Oh, they come here and do the testing way. Chong mga cheng. Wait, let me stomach in. Oh, fuck that. Love yourself. Possibly not. Oh my god. We're out of shape. We're out of shape. All them food. Shit. Go! Just go! Cross it! It's fun! Alright, we got some people from Switzerland and Poland. Yeah, just go! Yeah! Side. Tranca muna mente, tío. Mano na side. Ese, tráncase. Hands on the side. I want to zoom in on that. Wait, how do we get up? Yes. Get down here. Relax. Oh. You queen. Right. Please, you face right. Yeah. Oh shit. Oh fuck. Stay. I think I snapped my butt. Oh. No. Your feet straight. There we go. So I just keep filming. That was high.
Okay.
Right there.
Come on. Get out and jump. Go.
Knee a little bit. Bend your knee. Bend your knee, bend your knee.
Oh, it's a little shallow.
Jump, jump. There you go. Un momento. Perdón. Yeah, kick and jump. Ali, wala baho yun eh. Kick and jump. Ali, kick. Yeah, there. There. There you go. Let's go, let's go. I love a little bit. Why is it gay? I'm gonna go higher. Hey, take one for me. That's where I'm. ¿Qué feel conmigo? Huh? You feel You wanna go for a squeak? This is high. 25 feet, dog. 25 feet. Oh, sorry. Oh! All right. Go for it. I want to do it again. Wait.
Alright, the wedding is not canceled.
Wasn't that bad?
I told you. Go.
Oh, wait.
You did the highest one. Go. It's nice. Wait, I'll video with it. Oh shit. These all $15.
No lunch though. No lunch.
Bro. I know. Villa? This? What else, mother? Yeah. Holy shit. One more, go. One more. Go. I didn't get the whole capture view. Go. You can do a GoPro, take a video. Like, so thank you guys for watching. I know this was a year late, but we went to Puerto Plata, Dominican Republic. This is gonna be 2 parts. That was just the waterfalls. There were so many activities that we did, so it's gonna be exciting. Watch out for the next part, and also subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, please. I need views. Bye.